My lovely viewers and subscribers, morning again. You know, I saw some interesting sights on my morning walk today, and I want to share them with you. And I also want to talk to you about that cabin in the woods. Yeah, that same one that is built by Colaz. I want to talk to you about that as well. And so I wanted to share with you what my friend, who is also an ardent Colaz supporter and a subscriber, said to me. She was saying that she's wondering which one of us is going to be that person that will go down in history to be the first in that cabin in that woods. Yeah, and I was saying to her, yeah, that's going to be one for the books, right? So the first person to go in that cabin or to be assigned to that cabin or to rent that cabin will be one to go down in the books, right? And I was saying to her that the real adventure of Colaz Smith team is going to begin with that whole scenario, the cabin and the house on the hill and all of that. It is going to be something to talk about because that's when the real adventure will begin. For me personally, I enjoy nature walks. I enjoy anything to do with nature. That's why I have this nature channel. So for me, going to that cabin will be something else. Yes, I really want to go on that, riverbed that I see them cleaning out and to dip my feet and, just to enjoy the whole surroundings, the whole nature vibe, right? And I'm sure that Colaz will be having some walking trails and I want to be a part of that. All right, so who will be the first person to book out that cabin? Colaz, I think you should start taking requests from now. Yeah, of persons who want to book out the cabin. Take bookings from now, Colaz. Start taking your bookings because everybody's going to be rushing to get into that cabin.
Splashing up on the board and thing to prevent it from damaging it. You see me? Yeah, man. So all of that to come, and we'll move as fast as we can. Yeah, man. Climber will be cleaning up down and around the cabin. You guys will see that on his channel, so definitely subscribe to Climber Adventure and just watch as him transform this place as well too, in terms of cleaning up and thing. Yeah, man, it's a good look.
I know it's going to be a jostle for many people. The cabin vibe, it's just down my street. That's the type of thing that I like and enjoy. And I personally want to come mango time. And I hear Colaz talking about the mango. I want to come mango time so that I can get some mangoes. All right, so my viewers and my subscribers, enjoy the video. Enjoy the nature walk that I'll show you, the things that I'm going to show you that I saw on my morning walk today. All right. I'm hearing that sound of that bird, but I'm not seeing the bird at all. Oh my goodness. I love the sweet sound of the birds. Now I see it. Right in the top of that tree. Get closer up. I see you now. All right. Okay. Ah, it's a little chickadee. Whole lot of ducks by the pond today. Whole lot of ducks by the pond today. Yeah. Whole lot of ducks by the pond today. Mm-hmm.